Hey guys, Zach and Flip with Rick here. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 reasons why most wholesalers quit real estate investing. Okay guys, right now we are going to go over the top 10 reasons why most wholesalers quit real estate investing. If you're on the brink of thinking you want to quit, or if you're doing lots of deals and you know you're never going to quit, just watch this video throughout and see if you have any of these questions or excuses why you want to get out of real estate investing and wholesaling, and see what we can do about it, because these are the top 10 reasons why wholesalers will quit, and they're just not valid excuses at all. I've heard them all from everyone, from there's too much competition to I have no money. That is not an excuse to stop real estate investing in wholesaling. There's just too much money left on the table and too much opportunity cost. So let's get in the first one. Hey guys, so the first reason why most real estate investors and wholesalers quit is because they're just not getting any deals, like zero deals at all. And this is obviously because they just don't have any acquisition skills or marketing skills. Usually when you can't find any deals, the acquisitions isn't the biggest thing. It's usually always the marketing. So if your marketing plan isn't good, you're not going to get any deals and you're just going to quit. And this brings us back to our second reason, is that there's just not enough deal flow. You know, you're getting a deal and then you got to wait like 2 or 3 months and then you get another deal. And just the deals are so sporadic and crazy, and you're working full time trying to find deals, and you're only getting a deal like every 3 or 4 months, and it's just too little for you. And our third reason why most wholesalers quit is because they think marketing is just too difficult and they're just not good at it, and there's nothing they can do about it. And obviously the thing you can do about it is get a mentor or just get better at marketing. You know, just test everything out, take bandit signs out, do direct mail, try probates, try code violations, cold call, try it all. If most guys who say marketing's too difficult or and no marketing works in my area, they haven't tried them all. So the fourth reason obviously here is they actually have no acquisition skills. They say I get very nervous around sellers, I don't know what to do, I'm not really good talking on the appointment, I'm not good at just doing a house analysis, finding ARVs, finding comps. I'm just not good at any of that. And obviously this is just like weightlifting, any sport, any, you know, like learning chess. You need to strengthen the skills over time with experience. No one was a killer acquisitions guy off the bat, unless you're some Jordan Belfort, Grant Cardone type character. Even then, they needed time to form into who they are now as great acquisitions people. And fifth reason why most wholesalers quit is because they think they have no job security at all. This means that they're basically entrepreneurs, self-employed people, especially when you're wholesaling with your own company for real estate, and they don't have the nuances and the benefits of a regular W-2 9-to-5 job, you know, such as subsidized healthcare, you know, job security, even though that's something another video we can talk about. But you know, you can get fired off the drop of a hat. Wholesaling, you're in charge of your life, you're in charge of what goes into it, the profits you make. That's why I love it. That's why mostly everyone loves it who does it successfully. But most people rather just get told what to do all day and make less money. Some people think you make more money and it's just easier on a regular job, just sitting in an office all day. I don't think it is, but that's the fifth reason. Okay, so our sixth reason here is people think there's just too much competition in the area, and there's too many wholesalers, too many real estate investors, too many realtors in the area. There's no way I can actually find deals. And this can be farthest from the truth. And a lot of our students actually tell me this. And the way I sort of rebuttal with that is so is everyone doing bandit signs? Yeah, there's a million bandit signs ever. Okay, then go on certain streets and try to do bandit signs there. Are you the only person doing direct mail? No, there's 10 million flyers out there. Well, be unique in your direct mail. Usually when there's a lot of competition, I like to direct people towards specialty lists and cold calling, because if somebody is getting 10 pieces of mail and no one's calling them, you could probably call them. I know in certain counties, especially with I work in, there's only 1 to 2 people pulling probates. It's me and the lawyer. So basically having a monopoly down here in South Florida. And if I go down to Miami-Dade or Broward, there's like 10 other investors doing it. But hey, we're still getting great deals with the amount of competition. I mean, we're in the most competitive real estate markets in the state, in the Southeast, besides Atlanta and Orlando and Tampa, obviously. And we're getting deals, and we're doing so great, not focusing on the competition, focusing on our own business. So another reason why most wholesalers quit also is because they think the real estate market's too hot and there's no downturn, so there's no short sales, and there's just not enough reason for people to, sell the property. And that brings us to another number 7 or 8, that why most wholesalers quit is they don't believe in themselves, especially in the true heart of hearts, especially when they're on appointments, that they can actually get a property under contract for less than what someone else is willing to buy it for. Now, I'm not saying it's under the value of buying a house for under the value of it. Most cases we are, but when we're wholesaling, we're actually trying to get the contract, trying to get like an arbitrage situation where we get a property for under contract for less than what someone else is actually willing to pay for, and then you get that assignment fee in between. So most people think no one will, especially like this real estate property that I got right here that we actually have in the market right now. So I got this done for $95,000, and people are willing to pay $140 and $150 for it. Right now on the market, we've actually got some offers, which is great. So most people actually don't believe they can get a property like this under contract, and that's because your acquisition skills not good, or you're not reaching sellers that are just motivated enough. That's my rebuttal to that. Okay, guys, so this is the last reason. It's actually number 9, but I actually put 2 in there. Just mix them in. I mean, just another miscellaneous reason is because people just think they're just too shy. And I'm a little introverted person, especially when I was starting out real estate investing, talking to people and just really cold calling, and just getting in front of a camera too, just helps your confidence so much and just helps you turn into a really, really good salesman, and it just helps your business so much. And so this brings us to our last reason here, which is people say, I can't do wholesaling, I quit, I just don't have enough money for it. And if you watch any wholesaling video, any gimmick, you can do it $0. This is a lie. Wholesaling at $0 is extremely hard. Like Milton Friedman has said, there's no free lunch. If you're going to get somebody under contract, you're going to have to pay something. Either you pay the phone bill to call them, you paying gas, or you pay a bike, or you pay your time to go and knock on someone's door and get a contract. You got to print that paper, get the pen. So when people say I have no money, I don't know what to do, there's nothing I can do to get a real estate thing under contract. I mean, all you really need is $10. If you can get a piece of paper, a pen, some reasonable clothes, and just some market knowledge, even if you go to the library and you find the right motivated seller just knocking on doors, you can get something under contract. So that's really it. So these are the 10 reasons why most wholesalers and real estate investors, I use this all under one umbrella, guys trying to buy rental properties for just under the value too. I just put them on one umbrella here because I'm just trying to educate and help people in real estate here why they quit. So I hope this helped you. This is mostly a video tailored to the United States, since this is where I work. If you're out of the country, this could help you too. So leave a comment below and tell me what videos you want next. Zach and Flip with Rick signing out.